not give promise to on that gospel, and she will not tell the truth. Every time she will do like that only. Next advent. Discuss it. Do you want to torture the girl for the mere pleasure of it? Next advent is it. Discuss it. Discuss it means it's irritation. Okay, irritation is what is it means? Do you want to torture the girl for the mere pleasure of it? For your pleasure, you want to torture that girl? Like that Ladwenu said. Means Ladwenu showing some mercy on that John. Okay, he is telling opposite to that person's mouth. Just next that person say, divided. But it is not a pleasure, it is a law, it is customary, it is always done. Next that person divided means he is confused. Because he is opposing to that judges, no? That's why that process were confused and but it is not a pleasure. Okay, for our pleasure we are not torturing that girl. Okay, that woman. It is the law. Okay, this is a law. That's why we have to give torture to that woman. It is customary. It is always done. It is customary means it is compulsory. We have to do like that only because she is not telling that truth. No, that's why. Next the question. That is not so, master. Except what the inquiries are carried on by people who do not know their legal business. Next the question this is not so.
Switch on the laptop charge. Switch on that one. Laptop.
Next the inquiries saying what is saying means that is not so, master. Except when the inquiries are carried on by people who do not know their legal business. Okay, if she tell that truth only, then only we can proceed our proceedings. Otherwise we can't do anything. We should not give torture like that. The investors say. Next process. But the woman is a heretic. I assure you, it always done. Okay, next what happened? The author saying we should not torture, no, like that we say no. Why should not be tortured? She is an heretic, no? She is an heretic means she jumped the long tower, no? That's why they are saying that she is an heretic. We have to torture that compulsory. Like that the process says. Next question. This evening, I will not be done today if it is not necessary. Let there be an end of this. I will not have it said that we proceed all force to confession. Okay, we have to send our best preachers and doctors to this woman to exhort and implore her to save our soul and body from the fire. We shall not now send the executioner custody into it. Next to deceiving. Deceiving means here thinking. Okay, that is question where thinking. Thinking and say what it means. It not be done today if it is not necessary. Okay, we should not torture this woman today because she is not telling anything. Okay, if it is necessary, then we can torture. If it is not necessary means we should not do that today. And let there be an end of this. Okay, whatever it is, if you tell the truth or not, we have to end this one. Judgment. Like that we say. Okay, I will not have to say that we proceed or force confession. Okay, we should not force the other woman to tell truth. Okay, we should not force the woman like that. We have to send our best preachers and doctors to the woman to exhort and implore her to save our soul and body from the fire. Okay, we have sent that doctors and next to preachers, means famous people. They are sent to that woman and they talk to that woman. Tell the truth, like that they are said. Okay, counseling, same like that they gave in. But she didn't do anything. She did not tell me anything. Even we send her that persons also. Okay. We shall not now send the executor to crush her into it. Okay, we have sent these many members also. She is not listening now. Then we will send our executioner and we will give punishment to that woman. Like that caution said. Next causes. You, Lordship, is merciful, of course, but it is a great responsibility to depart from the usual practice. Next. causes saying your lordship is merciful. Merciful means for your sad. Okay, for your showing sad. No, for that what we have to do means we should not do same like the we should do in another way. Okay, that also whatever that judgment we have to do in another way. ఇంకో విధంగా చేద్దామని చెప్పినారు. నెక్స్ట్ జాన్ థర్డ్ ఆర్య reviewing master what has done last time is the rule. Okay, next brother John saying what he saying means though arya rule noodle means here head. Okay, that judge is there, no, she saying to that judge you are a rare noodle, you are the big of the this one. Okay, to what was done last time is the rule. Okay, whatever you have done for me last time, that is a rule, that is in good way, like that she said. Okay, she didn't do good way like that, that's why she saying like that. Okay, next process rising the wanted those you rare call me noodle. Next that process saying you are calling me noodle means here head. You are calling like that head of that coach, you are telling like that causes say. Next the investor patience master patience I fear you will soon be only too terribly avenged. Next that investor saying to that forces. Okay, that the forces were saying like that, no, విధంగా అంటుంది కదా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్వెస్టర్ అంటున్నాను ఏమని మీన్ patience master patience. Okay, don't get angry, patience. I fear you will soon be only too terribly avenged. Okay, if you get anger and if you do anything to that woman, what happens means that is will be wrong done. Okay, if you tell anything to that woman wrong way, okay, for that you have to take a revenge. దానికి నువ్వు రివెంజ్ తీసుకోవాల్సి వస్తుందని చెప్పిండు అన్నట్టు ఆ విధానం. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వాసెస్ మటర్స్ న్యూడీ ఇండియన్ దిస్ ఇస్ డౌన్ మచ్ డిస్కౌంట్. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ దట్ క్వాసెస్ సేయింగ్ మటర్స్ మీన్స్ he talking to himself only and said noodle indeed. Here noodle indeed means the investor. Okay, that causes is saying to the investors తోటి ఆ విధంగా చెప్తున్నారండి ఏమని he sits down much discontent. ఆ విధంగాని discontent means showing not respect and he sat down on the chair. Next to the investor meanwhile let us not be moved by the rough side of the shepherd last tongue. Next what the investor saying means meanwhile let us not be moved by the rough side of the shepherd last tongue. Here shepherd last tongue means here outspoken woman. Okay, last tongue talking outspoken negative way. Okay, the women were talking negative way like that said and they are calling that shepherd loss. ఆ విధంగా పిలుస్తున్నారు shepherd loss. Next John nay I am no shepherd loss, so I have helped with the sheep like anyone else. I will do a lady's work in the house, spin or wave against any woman in a road. Next what the John saying means no I am not a shepherd loss. Shepherd means who will take care of the sheep. Okay, గొర్రెల కావాలంటే కదా shepherd అంటే ఆ విధంగా. Okay, here they are calling that woman like that. That's why the woman say I am no shepherd lass. Okay, I am not a negative woman. So I have helped with the sheep like anyone else. Okay, I have helped so many sheep like that she was saying. I helped so many people. I will do a daily work in the house, spin or weaving against any woman in a room. In that room, yes, I have worked in my home like a weaving and spinning. అల్లడము కుట్లు అవంటారు కదా అవి మేము వర్క్ చేసేవాళ్ళని చెప్పిందాను. Next to the investor. This is not a time for vanity, John. You stand in great peril. Okay. Don't praise yourself. Okay. I have worked in my home and I have spin and wave. Don't say like that. This is not showing that proud. Okay, vanity means here proud. Okay, this is not a time for vanity. Don't tell your proudness or praising here. You stand in great peril. Peril means now you are in a danger. Danger, no trouble. Oh no, next one. I know it. I not been punished for my vanity if I had not worn my clothes of gold, surfboard in battle like a fool, that a Burgundian soldier would never have pulled me backwards of my horse, and I should not have been here. That's what the John said. I know it. Okay, I will know. I will not praising myself and I am not showing any proud here. I know it like that. She said, and have I not been punished for my vanity? Okay, for that proudness you are punishing me. Huh? Now proud you should not be punished, sir. I had not worn my cloth of gold suitcase in battle like a fool. Okay, in that battle, in that war, she wore a coat. How was the coat? Means here gold color coat she wear. Okay, battle time lo vestunnadu dani salt coat. Battle ayokka war time lo use chese dani salt coat annaru. She wear that gold salt coat in that battle. Okay, that Burgundian soldier would never have pulled me backwards of my horse. Okay, she was riding on that horse and she is fighting to that people on that war. That time what happened means one soldier. That soldier name is Burgundian. Burgundian soldier were pulled him back. That's why she fall down. Okay, that's why that all the English people were catching and they kept in that prison like that happened. Abhidanga endana pull back on my horse and I should not be here. Okay, if that soldier were not pulled me, I should not be here. Next to the chapter. If you are so clever at women's work, why do you not stay at home and do it? The chaplain said, what he said means, you are a great worker, hard worker, no? Then you do that work at your home only. Why you are participated in that work? Like that he questioned. Next. John. There are plenty of other women to do it, but there is nobody to do my work. Actually, given answer what she given means there are plenty of women. There are so many women are there at my house. That's why I participated in that and I captured it and came here. Like that. Next question. Come. We are wasting time on trifles. John, I am going to put some Solomon question to you. Take care how you answer for your life and salvation or at a stake on it. Will you for all you have said and done? Be it good or bad, accept the judgment. God's church on earth. More especially as to acts and words that are imputed to you in this Bible by the promoter here. Will you submit your case to the inspired interpretation of the church? Will done. Next question asking. Come. We are wasting time on trifles. Trifles means here discussions. Okay. Enough these discussions. Now we have to end that judgment and we have to punish that woman. I am going to put a more Solomon question to you. Here Solomon means here serious question. Okay. I will ask one serious question. Further you have to give answer. Take care how you answer. Take care means here you have to decide for that question correct way. Like that listen. Okay. Next. For your life and salvation are at stake. Okay. From that answer only you will get saved or punished. Okay. If you from that answer only you have that these two things. Save and punish and that's why you have to think and tell that answer ani cheppidanu. Next, will you for all you have said and done, be it good or bad, accept the judgment of God's church on earth. Okay. Whatever the answer you will tell. Okay. We will took, that is right or wrong. Okay. After that we will give the punishment. Punishment or release, anything. Okay, you have to accept it, that one. Good or bad. Good and accept it, bad and accept it. Judgment of God sheds on earth. More especially as we ask and what that to imputed to in this trial by the promoter here, will you submit to a case to the inspired interpretation the church will tell. Next what he saying is more especially as we ask the words are imputed. Okay, whatever that you answer there, that should be responsibility on that Milton. Here, who is the church Milton means here? That person. Who is this person? Canon the Foster Caesar, no? He compiled how many cases on John? 66. 64?
64.
64 charges where he compiled, no? That should be removed. Whatever the answer you will tell. Okay, no answer you will tell, then we remove. 64 compiled memo. These cases me. Okay? Next. I am a faithful child of the church. I will obey the church. Next what the John saying means I am faithful child of the church. Faithful means here I believe that the church. That's why whatever that you will give announcement, I will do that. I will obey means I will follow the rule. Next question. Hopefully learning forward, you will. Next question saying hopefully learning forward means we came from forward. You will do that. Whatever you will do, make up the next John. Provided it does not command anything impossible. That's what the John saying. I will do compulsory. Whatever you are provided, I will do that because I have faith in a church. That's why. Next, caution sinks back in his chair, became every side. The investor pursues his lips and frowns. That man shakes his head pitifully. Next, what happened? That means caution sinks back in his chair means he came forward now. After that, we go back and he sat on the chair and he can heavy side. Heavy side means he agreed, no? That's why he next, the investor pursues his lips. Investor pursues his lips and he is failing that. What punishment we have to do? Any punishment we have to do? One, that when he shakes his head pitifully. Okay, this last when another person is the one that he feeling very sad for the woman. Chala sad feel out. Next, they are going to give punishment for the woman. Okay, what is that punishment here? See that one. This was written by George Bernard Shaw. Okay, George Bernard Shaw. This lesson was written. Next, at the age of 19 in 1431, she was tried for heresy and death, and then burned at the stake as a witch. Okay, what the punishment they given means they tried it. Tried means here accused. Okay, accused means నేరస్తురాలు అనుకోదా నేరం మోపిరాలు ఏమని she is an heretic. Okay, she is an heresy. That's why they are born to that log food. They are tied that log food, no? For that only they are born to that women. They only. అక్కడనే అవన్నీ కాల్చు because she is an heretic like that. Heretic అని చేస్తారు. Next, in 1909 she was beatified and in 1920 canonized a saint. Next, what happened in 1999 where she gone to heaven. Okay, she not gone to hell. Okay, she is good woman, no? That's why she gone to hell. Okay, beatified means here heaven.
How can we know?
They gave a note here. She was beatified. That people will know. Okay, some magics were happening in that place. That's why they thought she gone to heaven like that. Okay, they believe some this. Okay. After that in 1920, because of some magics or some wonderfuls, they thought that she gone to the heaven. And after that, in 1920, they called that John has a canonized a saint. Okay, ఆ విధంగా పిలిచేవారు కదా ఏమని canonized a saint. Okay, like that they are called. Next about that dramatist. About that here. George Bernard Shaw was born on July 26, 1856 in Dublin, Ireland. Okay, he was born in 1856 in Dublin place, where it is the name is Ireland. In the early 1900s, Shaw wrote several plays. These plays were about political things and issues concerning poverty and women's rights. Okay, he will write about the poverty, women's rights, for the social issues he will write. Main. Okay, playwright means like conversation type. Okay, conversation type of thought. Next he wrote Man and Superman, 1902. And next to John Bull's Other Island, 1904. And Major Barbara, 1905. In 1904 he wrote Saint John, which is considered to be one of his pieces. Okay, what was the famous? He was written playwright means here Saint John. Okay, from that he became very famous. Okay, he won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1925.
Saint John also related to John of God.
John of God, same. Somewhat they taken it. Okay, he won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1925. After that, Shaw wrote over 50 plays during his literary life until the time of his death on November 2, 1950. Okay, until he is dead, we were writing that all the plays for him. He wrote so many. They given here 50 playwrights. Okay, 50 plays. Next, Shaw remained committed to the socialist cause. Okay, main he writes about the social purpose only. The women's rights, caste, religious right. He will write these types. Main point is classical. George Bernard Shaw. Okay.
Tradition is obedience.
కరెంట్ లేదు రాదు అవునండి
Okay.